Hello friends, in this video I will tell you how to transfer chats and messages from one WhatsApp to another. Here you can see that I have two WhatsApp, one primary and second for WhatsApp business. Chattings and messages are stored in primary WhatsApp and WhatsApp business is freshly new installed app from Play Store, so it does not have anything. So here I want to transfer content of my primary WhatsApp to another app, WhatsApp business. So let's start video. First you can see that I have chattings in my primary WhatsApp and I have very old messages. So here I don't want to lost my data and I want to switch application from WhatsApp primary to WhatsApp business. First of all we need to store our messages. So now click on three dots. After that click on settings and then chats. You can see a option chat backup. Click on it and now turn off your mobile data so it will not backup on cloud. After that click on backup. Your chattings and messages will be backed in your SD card or internal storage. After completing backup, exit primary app. Now we need a file explorer. So I am using this app. You can use any file explorer. Then open it. Go to WhatsApp folder. You can see this is the folder where our chat backup is stored. This folder is for primary WhatsApp, and in similar way when we set up our WhatsApp business, so it will also create a folder named as WhatsApp business. So I am creating this folder right now so that WhatsApp business can restore backup files from there. Spelling and capitalization should be exact because the name is case sensitive. So to avoid any error, you need to rename that folder exactly as shown as on screen. If you are moving your chat from WhatsApp business to WhatsApp, then you have to create folder WhatsApp, not WhatsApp business. You can see that our WhatsApp business folder has been created successfully. Now we have to move content of WhatsApp folder into the WhatsApp business. So select all the folders of WhatsApp and copy them. After that paste them into WhatsApp business folder so that all the content of WhatsApp folder will be copied in WhatsApp business folder. You can see files are copying. Our database folder has been copied successfully. Now we have to copy media folder from WhatsApp to WhatsApp business folder. In media folder, images, videos are stored, and in database folder, messages are stored. After copying all files, now we need to open WhatsApp business for setting up our account. I am using same number as of my primary WhatsApp. I will suggest you to not uninstall your main WhatsApp before restoring your chats so that you won't lost your chats and data due to any error or mistake. After verifying phone number, allow all the permissions to it. Here it has detected backup in our internal storage, so you can click on restore to restore your chats. It will take some time. Here progress is showing in percentage that our data is restoring from our backup. Now click on next, that about 12,000 messages are restored. Fill your details. Then click on next. Now our chats are moved from our primary WhatsApp to that WhatsApp. You can see all chats and messages are restored in another app. Nothing is lost. Now you can uninstall your previous WhatsApp. Your data is now safe. If I open our previous WhatsApp, it will show a error that the phone number is no longer registered with that WhatsApp. If any problem occurs, then click on OK and verify that phone number. Your data will not be lost from your main WhatsApp.